Leave the house right now. You should get there just before 5:30 this morning, so not looking bad at all on the roads. That's a look at your latest traffic tracker. For now, let's send it over to Paul in the Forewarn Weather Center to see how our weather is looking today.
Another hot and humid day in store for us. It's warm and muggy this morning, and this time of day, this time of year, we're always on fog patrol. I've seen a little bit showing up on the fog tracker in southern Middle Tennessee around Pulaski, so let's check a view from Pulaski right now from the WLX tower cam. A little bit of fog in the distance, but visibilities are okay up close and personal there in Giles County, so that's good news. Looking out from Lawrenceburg, and the skies are brightening. Yeah, you can see a little bit of that fog on the horizon, but it's not going to be a huge issue for the morning commute for most of you. Some other camera perspectives, this time from the WeatherBug Network. Well, skies are brightening, not seeing any fog around Metro Nashville, so that's good news for the morning drive as well. And it's actually a pretty sunrise if you look off to the east, as we're doing from this camera towards downtown Nashville. Mostly clear skies overhead, so obviously nothing on the Forewarn live radar. The rain chances staying well up to our north, but the system causing that is just visible on the upper left-hand side of your screen there. It's going to drop down closer to us by tomorrow. Doesn't mean we're going to see widespread rain, but a much better chance of showers and thunderstorms compared to today. Today's rain chance is a little better than yesterday. Check out the radar simulation from one of our forecast models, and it does show just a few spotty showers and thunder showers beginning to bubble up around midday. Best chance along and east of I-65. So the exact timing, the exact placement, that's not reliable from these forecast models. We use them to look at the pattern, and it's the eastern half of the mid-state during the hottest part of the day when you're going to have that best chance of at least a little bit of rain-cooled air. Those spotty storms won't do anything about the humidity, though. Temperatures right now are in the low to mid 70s, one spot below 70 in Crossville at 69 degrees. All these other temperatures are well above average. The normal low is 70 degrees, so we're 5 degrees above that right now in Nashville. This is the best time of day for a dog walk for Buster here from Elkton. Even though it's warm and it's sticky out there, it's going to be hot and humid later on today. Temperatures near 90 by noon, in the low 90s this afternoon, and still around 90 by 6 o'clock this evening. That's the air temperature. Heat index is going to be running in the upper 90s, and that's deeply unpleasant when you're wearing a fur coat. So just keep that in mind for your furry friends. And download the Forewarn mobile app. Check the radar before you head out for a dog walk today, because there are going to be a few of those spotty thunderstorms out there. Tomorrow's storm chance is higher. Not initially in the morning, but we're going to see more showing up on the radar already by noon. So you see that's more of a colorful look on Futurecast here by lunchtime. As we head into the afternoon, that's when our best storm chance is going to start to line up. And you see it's kind of showing up in this broken line here along the Tennessee-Kentucky state line. Indicates a little more organization, and that indicates a slightly better chance a couple storms could become stronger. It's an outside chance of severe weather, but still something we'll keep our eyes on through early evening tomorrow. Once the sun goes down, those chances of thunderstorms and thus severe weather are going to diminish as well. It's just a marginal threat, though, of severe weather. So this is not a springtime setup, just something we'll watch in case a couple storms become stronger, otherwise in the low to very low category for our severe weather chances over the next several days. The weekend rain chances, we haven't changed them really at all. It's less than a 50-50 chance on Saturday. The best chance on Saturday of getting wet is going to be south of I-40, so I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans, but be flexible the farther south you go. And then just that hit and miss chance on Sunday. That'll continue through much of next week with steadily climbing temperatures after we spend most of the weekend in the upper 80s to around 90.
Oh, yeah. All right, Paul. Well, a massive fracture in Antarctica has caused one of the biggest